Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial video I'm going to show you how to log into TD credit card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser. To begin, to open up your web browser, go to the address bar at the top of the screen and type in www.tdcodeservices.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the next page where you can see the login area for your TD credit card account and your username in the first text box, and head over to the next field where it says password and make sure to type in your password correct. Click on the login button after you're done, but in case you've forgotten your username or your password and you don't know what to do next, click on this recover you should name or password link in order to get help so that you can look for your name or your password. Finally, after you're done and you're ready to log into your account, click on Login and you'll be able to log into your TD credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.